Margot Robbie has revealed that the Penguin was the original villain in Birds of Prey, but Matt Reeves was like, hey, I kind of want to use him, so can we not? And so they went on to Black Mask. Do we think that would have improved that film at all? I mean, it's not the worst. It's definitely got more rewatchability than a lot of other things, that's for freaking sure. But they could have done Penguin anyway, because they're not in the same universe. So why not? I don't know. I'm not in charge here. I'm not in charge. So there you have it. Penguin was initially the big bad in Birds of Prey.